Question. Enter the following transactions in a double column cash book of Messrs. Mohit Traders for January 2014. Cash in hand 3500, bank overdraft 2300. January 3rd, goods purchased for cash 1200. January 5, paid wages 200. January 10, cash sales 8000. January 15, deposited into bank 6000. January 22, sold goods for check which was deposited into bank same day 2000. January 25, paid rent by check 1200. January 28, drew from bank for personal use 1000. January 31st, bought goods by check 1000. First, cash in hand 3500, that is the balance as per cash book. Opening balance, cash in hand, opening balance 3500. In this question, instead of bank balance, a bank overdraft is given. Overdraft is a situation when cash withdrawn from the bank exceeds the amount of deposit, that is the money overdrawn from an account. Amount withdrawn in excess of its own money in the bank is known as a bank overdraft. If a business has a credit balance or bank overdraft in the beginning of a period, it is shown on the credit side of the cash book as balance brought down. So, cash balance 3500, write it on the debit side of cash book as balance brought down, and bank overdraft 2300, write it on the credit side of cash book as balance brought down. Then goods purchased for cash, payment side cash column 1200, paid wages, payment side cash column 200. Then January 10, cash sales. Cash sales means sold goods and received cash. Receipt side cash column. Then deposited into bank. It is a contra entry. Cash deposited into bank is a contra entry. Payment side cash column 6000 and receipt side bank column 6000. Then sold goods for check which was deposited into bank same day. Sold goods for check. Sold goods and received check which was deposited into bank same day. Receipt side bank column 2000. Then 25, January 25, paid rent by check. It is a payment. So write it on the credit side of cash book. Bank column 1200. Then drew from bank for personal use. Amount withdrawn for personal use is treated as drawings. January 28, drawings rupees 1000, write it on the payment side of cash book, bank column 1000. Then bought goods by check, purchased goods by check, payment side bank column 1000. Solution. Opening balance of cash, cash book debit side, cash column 3500, bank overdraft, cash book credit side, bank column 2300. Then January 3rd, purchased goods for cash, payment side cash column. Then January 5, paid wages, payment side cash column. Then January 10, cash sales, sold goods for cash, receipt side cash column. Then January 15, cash deposited into bank, contra entry, payment side cash column and receipt side bank column. Then January 22nd, sold goods for cash, sold goods for check, and check is deposited into the bank same day. Receipt side bank column 2000. Then paid rent by check, payment side bank column. Cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. Payment side bank column rupees 1000. Then January 31st, purchased goods for check. Payment side bank column. Next, balancing of cash book. Cash column, debit side total 11,500, credit side total 7,200. Balance on credit side rupees 4,100. Next, bank column, debit side total 8,000, credit side total 5,500. Balance rupees 2,500 on credit side.